Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tesla GPS not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to check is make sure you've got good internet and strong connectivity. So if you're parked in an underground car park or anything that might be obscuring the GPS signal, just move out of there into a spot where you'll be able to easily connect up to your GPS. The second fix is to restart the touchscreen. So what we need to do is press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. Wait for the Tesla logo to appear, then check if the GPS works. Fix number 3 is to power cycle the car. So put your Tesla in park and then from here go to controls, safety and security and power off. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Do not touch anything in this process. Press the brake pedal to turn the car back on. Fix number 4, check for software updates. So go to controls, click on software and check if an update is available. If there's an update, install it and then test the GPS. Now we can go ahead and also reset the navigation data. So navigate to service mode by pressing and holding the Tesla T logo, then entering service, clear navigation data under navigation settings. And also check your GPS antenna and sensors. So if your car recently had repairs, the GPS antenna might be loose or damaged, so a service appointment may be needed if the issue persists. And if none of these fixes work, you just contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app.